Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will answer all these questions about YouTube Shorts, but I am also going to show you how to change your regular YouTube video into a short video. You can do this to promote your old videos and to get new subscribers. So the application I use is Power Director. I click on new project and name the project. Remember to click on 9:16. That is the ratio, the portrait form. That is the ratio for YouTube Shorts video. I am now going to import the clip I want to use. Normally when you make YouTube videos, the videos are shot in landscape form, but for YouTube Shorts they have to be in portrait form. So that was why I chose 9:16. You can see it is 15 minutes plus long, but I need to cut this video down to become less than 60 seconds. Once you upload the video, YouTube is going to add 1 extra second, so you need to make sure your video is at most 59 seconds. If you can go lower than that, better for you. So now, to cut and reduce this video, I have to ensure that every important detail of my 15 minutes video is reflected in this less than 60 seconds video. So first of all, I am still going to follow the procedure of my main video, which involved, because I was showing a tutorial of how to braid a flower on a hair, I have, first of all, at the beginning of the video, my model showing off the design flower on her hair, and then in the video itself it had like 3 different major processes to take in making the braids. So I make sure that for the beginning of the video where my mother was showing the hair, if it took about 30 seconds in my main video of her like turning around for the camera, in this less than 60 seconds video I will just take like, I will crop off about 2 seconds, almost like a screenshot of the end product, so people can see what they want to watch. And then for the processes of how to do it, if I parted a hairline 3 times before getting it to perfection, I will crop out only where I parted the last time and got it perfectly. So I am reducing all the processes but still making sure that I show the important processes. Then if it's things that are really important, you can crop the whole length but speed it up. Be careful about speeding up your videos too much, because I noticed that it can make one look dizzy. Okay, so now for what I am doing here, once you are done with clipping off the important sections of your video, making sure that you capture every important moment. Let's say this video, the main video is for a beginner, but if a professional should watch this less than 60 seconds video, she will still be able to do everything, like to understand the tutorial. So once I am done clipping that, I will start zooming in the clips as much as I can to feel off, because the imported video is on landscape mode and we are making a portrait video. As you can see, the videos are cut like towards the middle of the video of my screen. So now I will just go in and zoom it up and try to make it feel the portrait form as much as possible without going out of the screen. If you left space like above your head, by the sides, that's just best, because you'll be able to zoom in without going out of the clip. So I did all that, and it is still over 1 minute. So now I will go back into those repetitive processes that I still want to show and just speed them up. Next, because this video is compressed, I want to give out as much information as I can before the video runs out, so that is why I now include text. As I am explaining what I am doing, I also try to type in words to describe what I am also doing on the screen, so that as people are watching and listening, they are also reading and seeing at the same time. I hope you understand what I mean. So just give as much compressed information as you can within those short time. Next, I add a new music, then turn down the volume of my first video, of the 15 minutes video, and then I produce my video and upload. Over to the question, what are short videos? These are videos that are short in portrait form and are less than 60 seconds for YouTube. Advantages of shorts: as you can see, especially for a channel that is not used to getting many views, you can see those spikes there of thousands of views. That's what short stuff does for you, and it helps you get subscribers too fast. How do I make shorts video? Just shoot your video in portrait form or convert an old video into portrait form. Add shorts, hashtag shorts in the title and in the description. That is all. Upload it as a normal YouTube video. Next question, does shorts contribute to 4K watch hours for small YouTubers? No, it does not contribute, unfortunately. Next question, can shorts be monetized for videos, for channels that are monetized? No, at the moment YouTube said adverts cannot run on shorts, so they are not monetized because they are too short of a time. How does short negatively affect your channel? It reduces your average view duration of your general channel, and it might piss your subscribers off if they are used to seeing long content from you. So what are the best channels to I would recommend vidIQ and Channel Makers. These guys have been following the shorts video trend for a while, and you will get the best information from both of them. I am going to have the links to how I edit my videos on my phone with Power Director, how to braid the flower braids, and also the short video that I made from the demonstration of this clip. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.